Welcome back to Trend Central. Now what I have for you in today's video are 10 questions only a genius can answer. Basically, in this test, there will be 10 questions that will trick your brain in different ways. Now if you like these videos, then make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. Now if you did subscribe to the channel, then leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," as a few lucky comments will be winning an Amazon gift card. But anyway, let's begin today's video. Number 10. Let's start out this test with an easy question. Look at this picture filled with cartoon elephants and try to find the odd animal out. I'll give you 10 seconds to find. However, you should see it almost instantly.
Found it. Come on, work. Oh, sorry guys. My phone's acting stupid today. Here we go. Pause. Work. There we go. In case you guys didn't see it, it is right here. Oh, I'm stupid.
Just in case you don't find it, the panda is marked in red. Number 9.
Alright guys, bear with me.
Study the image
Try and
you
be
see on
smart.
screen and try to determine which tank will fill up first. You have 30 seconds to answer. However, pause the video if necessary due to the complexity of the question.
Thank you. Okay. I want to say 1, but I feel like it's a trick question. Let's see, so I need this. No. Might need this again. Okay. Oh wait, marker. Okay. Hey you. Okay. So I want to say number 1, but I don't think. Hold up. Let's go with this one. Okay. I want to say number 1, but I don't have a good feeling about this. Now I feel like it's a trick question. I'm thinking it might be number 4, because when that water fills up to right here, it's gonna travel to this one, then this one, and then finally this one will fill up because it won't start leaking water until that one's completely filled up, so that way it can go into the pipeline. So therefore, it makes it number 4.
Both tank 3 and 4 will fill up first.
Dang it!
Since the connector pipes leading out of tanks 1 and 2 are located at the bottom of the tanks, they won't start filling until tanks 3 and 4 are filled, which is why tanks 3 and 4 will both be filled at the same time. So once those tanks are filled, tank 2 will be filled completely and then tank 3. Number 8. Here's a tricky riddle. What's filled with tea and starts and ends with T? You have 15 seconds to answer.
T. Teapot. I think it's teapot.
The answer is a teapot.
Yes!
Although some people may have guessed it, there will be many people confused by this question. However, here's how to work your way around it. A teapot is filled with tea. It starts with the letter T and also ends with the letter T. Number 7. How many F's can you see in this sentence?
1,
I'll give you some time to
2, 3, 4.
Was your answer 4 or 5?
4.
Well, if it was, then you're unfortunately wrong, as there are in fact 6 F's in this sentence. The reason why you most likely counted less than 6 is because our brain oftentimes skips words such as scientific as it's placed on 2 lines. Number 6. How many cubes make up this structure? You have 20 seconds to count, so if possible, try not pausing the video.
Okay, I want to say 6, but I feel like it might be a trick. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. There's something holding it up, yeah, maybe. So,
The answer
it's
is 9.
3.
If you didn't get
Dang
that number,
it!
it's
I
because
didn't
only
get to
6
finish!
cubes are visible. But assuming the structure exists under the normal circumstances of Earth's gravity, in order to hold its shape, there must be at least 3 more cubes to hold up all the cubes.
I said 3 and not 9. What's wrong with me?
Number 5. As it says in the picture, try to find the mistake hidden in this image.
My teacher showed me this one.
To find it, so try not to pause the video.
My sister, or not my sister, my teacher showed me this one. It's the word mistake. Promise use the word mistake. Don't look at the numbers, it's the word mistake.
If you were looking for the mistake in the numbers, then you couldn't possibly have found the mistake, as the mistake is in fact in the word mistake in
Told
the
you.
sentence under the numbers. The reason why you most likely checked in the numbers first is because our attention is taken off the sentence the second we read it, due to there being a command. Number 4.
Bottom right corner.
Here's a page full of O's. However, within all those O's, there is the letter C hidden.
Told you.
Can you find it in 15 seconds?
Bottom right corner.
Just in case you haven't found it, it's marked in red. Now, if you did find it in the first few seconds or instantly, then it means you're a very observant person and you can easily distinguish patterns. So if you did find it quickly, then give yourself a pat on the back.
Pat, pat.
Number 3. Here's a tricky riddle, which till this day, many people still get wrong. Now, there could be multiple answers. However, try the answer with the most obvious one. What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? You have 15 seconds to answer.
An umbrella? I think it's an umbrella. Towels?
The answer is a towel, because
Dang
the more
it.
you use a towel to dry yourself, the more water it absorbs from your body, because to dry someone, it needs to get wet in the process. Number 2. Read all these words out loud. Loast, coast, roast, ghost, host, woast, post, quost, nost, boast. Now quickly, what do you put in a toaster?
Bread.
Answer toast? Well, you're not alone, as most people will answer toast after hearing words with a similar sound. However, the answer is in fact bread.
Yep,
This question
sister
shows
tricked me
how
with
easy
this
it
one.
is
It's
for the brain
bread.
to be manipulated. Number 1. Read this sentence you see in the triangle. It
Paris
says
in the
Paris
spring.
in the spring, right?
No,
Well,
it says the spring.
unfortunately, not if you take a closer look at it. You will notice there are 2 thes in the sentence, and the reason that you probably didn't notice it at first is because our brain connects words into sentences faster than we can read.